Hello everyone. My name is Johan aka Arcticode. Today I will show you the origins and things regarding the programming language Malbolge. The Malbolge language is one language that most of you have not heard of. It is classified as an esolang. An esolang language, or if you want me to be a nerd, an esoteric programming language, is a programming language which its primary purpose is to test the boundaries of computer programming language design, either for artistic purposes, encryption, or just as a complete joke. Its name derives from the eighth circle of hell, originating from a book called Dante's Inferno. It first appeared in 1998, and it looks like a series of letters, numbers and symbols, like this. It's called how it is because of how hard it is to program in, saying it might be impossible or almost impossible for humans to program in. Malbolge is useful for encryption since it is very hard to decipher. The author, known as Ben Olmsted, has never figured out or managed to write a successful Malbolge program. It took 2 years for the first Malbolge program to appear. However, this was not written by a human being. It was generated by a beam search algorithm designed by Andrew Cook and implemented in Lisp. Lisp is an acronym for list processing. It is a family of programming languages known for having a long history. It first appeared in 1960 and was designed by John McCarthy. Anyways, I think we are backtracking. I will show you what a successful program looks like in Malbolge. This program displays Hello World. This is a standard basic that almost every programming language has, and it displays a message in the console or output. In Python it looks like this. In JavaScript it looks like this. Malbolge has instructions. It figures out which instruction to execute by taking the value C, adding the value of C to it, and taking the remainder when this is divided by 94. This all sounds very confusing, but don't worry, because you would have to be a literal robot to program in this. Or me. Anyways, Malbolge is not Turing complete. In simple words, this means that it describes abstract machines. Most modern programming languages are Turing complete. An example of a programming language that isn't Turing complete is the famous language for making websites, HTML. Also, unlike most programming languages, Malbolge does not operate in binary, aka it does not have 0s and 1s. It operates in trinary, adding 2s to the system. Why not make programming even more complicated, they say. Also, Malbolge does not store data in bits. Instead it stores data in trits. Just to show you a scale on how hard programming in Malbolge is, you could technically make GTA in Malbolge, but it would take a lifetime of 200 plus developers that work 20 plus hour shifts while as well writing trillions of lines of code. I think it's safe to say, people won't be using this anytime soon. According to the author, Malbolge literally has no flow to it, making it literally impossible for any human to make sense in. That C rule we were talking about a while ago would not even work, due to the fact that sometimes Malbolge does its own thing. I'll be shocked if a human actually manages to write in this in the future, obviously without cheating. In conclusion, Malbolge is an esolang impossible to write in. The name definitely fits in with the theme. If you learned something new from this video, please consider liking and subscribing, or you will be forced to write in Malbolge for the rest of your life. See you guys in the next video or YouTube short.